Hey, you guys. Hey, you guys, I'm Jay.
And I'm Lisa.
We're Our Simple Adventures. Happy Independence Day. 250 of them today. We're headed to Earlham, Iowa for Freedom Festival.
Small town America.
Come along with us. But first, we're at Sunny Acres Campground, just about 8 miles from Earlham. Beautiful little pond here. They do a wonderful job. Camp host, Ray, super nice guy. He actually told us about Earlham and the Freedom Festival. Not very busy. This is the only place we could get for 4th of July weekend. So we're only here 2 nights. Campsites are not level at all. Or, you know, most of them are not, but I guess you make do. Okay, let's go to Earlham.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for happiness.
Okay, we're here in Earlham. We just parked the little baby blue. There's people setting up all along these streets. We don't know where it's going to start. Good morning.
Is this the parade path here?
No, it's either up at Main Street or up here at the end of this street.
Oh, okay, so that's
It's
obviously the
shorter
one
to go
line.
that way.
Pardon?
It's shorter to go up there and sit because that's another 3 blocks.
Oh, okay.
What's going on right there?
And that's where everything else is happening? I'm sorry, we're from out of state. We're here just
That's
visiting
okay.
and
That's okay. The park, which is a block up where those red things are, that's where they'll have food and rides and things.
Okay, what about
A
that?
block further than that is where the parade route is.
Okay.
Parade route will also come around over here.
there's like a big
at
view.
over here at this end.
We're going
of
to
the
check
street.
everything out.
Check everything out. Absolutely.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay. We got that was a small town Iowa. Okay, so we're about a block and a half from that nice lady. And here's the Midway. Just starting to get fired up. Oh my gosh, those food trucks smell good.
To give something.
Oh my goodness.
Support the food trucks. Support a small town.
Yeah, it's just a little after 10 o'clock. The parade starts officially at 10:30, right? Yeah, 10:30. Midway opens at noon, I think. I think this is where they have the national anthem and the flag raising, I think. Well, I guess they got a flag raise right over there. But let's keep going. We're gonna go downtown. You gotta watch a parade on Main Street, don't you? Okay, man, it's almost ready to start, I think. Look at all these people lining up.
Typically when they install it.
Lining up. This is going down the Main Street here. Going to be a car show after a while here too. You know, we got to look at some nice classic cars. What's the population of Earlham?
No idea.
Can you ask your magic box and let us know?
Hey Siri, what's the population of Earlham, Iowa? 1,410.
1,410. Okay. Okay, we're starting to hear some sirens coming down this way a little bit. It's the beginning of the parade. Gosh, there's Earlham's just over 1,400 people. I think there's 1,400 people right here in this one block. Des Moines right here too. A lot of people from Des Moines, I'm sure, come over here. Lisa went and sat on the church steps till it starts, so she should be coming over here. Well, here comes the flag. Everybody's got most everybody's got their hats on. The colors of what we're walking by. Here comes the Grand Marshal Jackie Johnson. Okay. Wow, Earlham's got a big fire department here. I'm sure volunteer, but every fire truck here today. Fire trucks are cool. We've got the Winterset Fire Department too. Other towns. Redfield Fire Department. Oh, I see. Here comes Dexter. These are all little surrounding little towns. Not sure who this guy is. Old tractor there, old Alice Chalmers. Alice Chalmers. Old garden tractor, probably. What about a 64 Chevy Malibu, maybe? 65? The Roadrunner. Tractor pull tractor. Watch out. They're armed and shooting. Now we've had like several weeks of 93 degree temperatures and 90% humidity. But now low 80s. Beautiful. Not as humid. Okay, I'm not gonna. Earlham baseball team, I guess. Little dune buggy there. A couple more cars. Oh, that's a 2025 Madison County Fair royalty.
Said last year.
Yeah, you guys, that is the same Madison County as Bridges of Madison County. Nice little Bronco. Yep. Being in the middle of Iowa, small town Iowa, wouldn't be right not to have 50 or 100 tractors coming down the street here. I don't know how many. I just can't see the end of it. And more tractors. Okay, so that was the end of the parade. Crowds are dispersing. Now we're going to probably head back over to the Midway. Okay, now we're back to the Midway here. We're searching out something to eat. Deep fried cheese balls. That sounds good. Chicken wraps. 2 beef tacos. 2 chicken tacos.
These are crafts down there.
You gonna ride any rides today?
No.
There's horsey right there.
I think we might have to go Crossway for other food. That beef.
Oh yeah.
These all look like games and crafts down there.
Yeah, okay, let's go across. Hey, look at this guy. He's got flag shoes, flag socks, flag shorts, flag shirt, flag sunglasses, flag hat. There we go.
Both have the same idea.
What?
Both have the same idea.
Okay, what you got?
Pork sandwich.
Tenderloin, yeah, me too. Me too.
You want the ketchup?
$8 a piece. Yes, I want some ketchup. Yep. Okay, here's the outfit right here, a little closer up to us. Right there. That's glasses too. Very cool. How was your pork tenderloin?
It was pretty good.
It was good.
Not too bad.
I couldn't finish like the last 3 bites. I mean, they're always big. They're always big.
Got to where I wasn't eating the bread. I was just eating the pork.
Yeah, that was good. That was good. Now we're gonna go see some classic cars.
feeling we chase. I'm wide awake, take me away now. 'Cause I won't go down the same old path again now. No, I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. Feeling I've got's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy, making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive, drive, drive. I'm just gonna drive, drive, drive. I'm just gonna drive, drive. It's ours now. The road never ends. It's me and my friends. These are the good times. And I'm feeling like I could go on forever. And I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. Feeling I've got's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy, making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive, drive, drive. I'm just gonna drive, drive, drive. I'm just gonna drive, drive. I'm just gonna drive, drive, drive.
All right, we're wrapping up Freedom Fest here in Earlham.
We are, and there's so much more that can be done in the town, but I don't have the energy.
Let's go get by this generator. Okay, by the generator. Yeah, what is it? Like, probably close to 1 o'clock right now.
Probably.
It's going to go until, well, the fireworks tonight. We're not going to hang out that long, even though we'd love to see them.
I think it pretty much only goes to like 5 o'clock. Now the activities were to like 5, and then the
I'm sure
fireworks again.
Well, I'm sure the Midway will go tonight.
Oh, probably, yeah.
With the lights and stuff.
Yeah. Carnival will go on. Oh, I was getting the craft show over there, and I didn't do that.
What?
The little craft festival, little craft booths. There's a few of them over there.
Yeah, it was fun. It was definitely a must-do for the 250th.
Yeah, the people watch.
Independence
It's just
Day.
sitting in the park and the the middle square. It just you just get the whole feel of it. Everyone in the red, white, blue, and
Americana.
yes, Americana.
Anyway, okay, we're signing off. We're going to find other stuff to do here soon. Now that we're, I don't want to say settled a little bit, but yeah. All right, love you guys. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Hit the notification bell so you know when we post, and we'll keep her rolling.
See you soon.
Love you guys. Bye.